Have you ever had a sudden, unexpected expense completely derail your plans? Like your car breaking down right before a big trip, or a medical bill appearing out of nowhere. These moments can feel overwhelming, like being caught in a sudden storm without an umbrella. Imagine a small savings account specifically set aside for these surprises. This isn't for a vacation or a new gadget. It's your financial umbrella ready to deploy. Think of a tightrope walker high above the ground. They're focused, moving carefully. But what gives them extra confidence? It's that safety net stretched out below. They hope they never need it, but it allows them to walk with less fear. That safety net is exactly what an emergency fund is for your finances. It's a dedicated stash of money, easily accessible, typically held in a separate savings account. Its sole purpose is to cover unexpected costs without forcing you into debt or disrupting your other financial goals. Let's say your refrigerator suddenly stops working. Without an emergency fund, you might have to put a new one on a credit card, incurring interest. Or maybe dip into your long-term savings for retirement. But with an emergency fund, you simply use that money, replace the fridge, and life continues smoothly. It absorbs the shock like a financial airbag. It protects your other savings from being raided and keeps you from falling into a cycle of debt when life throws a curveball. Building this fund means you're prepared for the inevitable bumps in the road, big or small. It gives you peace of mind and financial resilience. So, start building your financial safety net today. You'll thank yourself when the unexpected happens.